Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my declutter series, and in this video I'm showing you guys all the products I'm giving away to friends and family. I will leave part 1 linked down below if you are interested, and in that video I pretty much just tossed out products that were no good or completely expired and things like that. So I'll be sure to leave that down below. And disclaimer for this video, all the products, like I said, are going to friends and family because most of them I have used. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the products I am giving away, then just keep on watching. So first off is this Backlight Highlight 6 color palette from BH Cosmetics, and it has 6 of like the colorful highlights. These are swatches of the shades here. And the only reason I'm giving this away is because I already have the Kat Von D highlighter palette with these kind of colors and the Anastasia Moonchild glow kit, so I really don't need any more like iridescent highlighters. So I figured this could just get better use from one of my friends. So the next item is this Coastal Scents blush palette, and this is what it looks like. The colors are all so pretty, but that's honestly probably one of the only colors in this palette I would actually use, aside from maybe this color and then this one in the bottom here. But other than like Halloween looks or something, I know I use this in my Rainbow Unicorn look, but other than using them for Halloween costume looks, I really don't reach for bright blushes. I like a more like peachy neutral blush, so I just figured I'd give this to a friend because I feel like they'd get more use out of it than I will. So this blush from Milani, you guys can see, is broken. I tried to take it out and like depot it and put it into a Z palette, but that did not work out. So I just figured, you know, it's a very pretty neutral rosy blush that if someone's interested, they'll probably get more use out of this than I will. So at least this would go to a loving home. So next is this NYX Hydro Touch Oil Primer, and I got this because I heard it was like similar to the Smashbox Oil Primer, but I just didn't really like how it felt on my skin, and I normally do have oilier skin even in the winter, so it might not be the right primer for me. So maybe I'll give this to one of my friends with drier skin and maybe they'll get some use out of this. Then I've got the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Foundation Powder, and this is in medium 215 to 20. And this, the undertone is just wrong for me. I have another one that's in my use before the move, and that is like my skin color because it's more yellow toned. This is definitely more like neutral cool. It's not really picking up as neutral cool on camera. I got this because I was like, oh, maybe I could use it as like a contour. And I guess I could use it as a contour if nobody wants it, since it is a really good powder. But if someone's gonna use it, I might as well let it get used up and show it some love. So yeah, I have one of these in my use before the move, so here is a second one that I might as well give to a friend. It is a really pretty highlighter, so one is enough. It's so much product in here. For the liquid, you really don't need that much, so I might as well give this to someone else to try. Next is this Ulta Duochrome highlighter. It's just a whitish color, and then it has a pink shift to it. Again, I just have other duochrome highlighters. This one is the rainbow highlighter from Maybelline, and it has the same kind of like duochrome-y colors that I have already, and I don't need another one. Alright, so this Diva Curl Build-Up Buster, and it's for like curly hair. I have wavy, frizzy, unmanageable hair, so this isn't something that I would use for my hair, so I might as well give it to a curly haired friend. So then we have the Proactive MD Acne Treatment. It's just a little mini. I don't think this is the full size of the product, but yeah. We've got the First Aid Beauty Vitamin Hydrating Mist, some foundation samples. If you guys saw my full face using Packet Makeup, I used one of the Morphe foundations as a concealer. So these are just the other shades. I kept a couple for myself. But these are just a couple different shades that if friends are interested in trying the foundation, they can maybe find a shade of theirs. And then same with this Tarte one. I do really like this foundation. There's just a couple different sample shades in here, so I can give this to one friend and they can find their shade. So I've got 2 different lashes from Japan. These ones are a little bit longer, but they're not super dramatic lashes. And then these are a lot more natural lashes. They're both very thin bands, and they're both like really lightweight and comfortable on the eyes. But I just have a lot of false lashes, especially from Japan and stuff too, so give these to someone who might not be able to get their hands on Japanese lashes. I have a travel size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex Good Mascara. I just have a lot of different mascaras and mascara samples right now, so I do not need another. 2 of the Maybelline Color Tattoos. This one is in creamy beige. This one is bold gold. They're both like really good. I don't really use cream shadows as much anymore, so yeah, they're really good though, so I want them to get used by someone who will use them. Then we have the MAC Silver Stroke gel eyeliner. It is just a silver color, and I've just come to the conclusion silver does not look the best on me. I don't really wear silver, so I might as well give it to someone who might. The Curl Revive from AG Hair Care. Again, my hair is not like curly where I'm gonna like wear it down and I need to like enhance my curls, so give it to a curly haired friend. Then we have the Boscia Detoxifying Black Cleanser Sample. I've got this Elemis Peptide 4000 Flower Mask, a Chlorine Floral Water Makeup Remover Sample. I've got 2 little travel size trial products from Bare Minerals. This is their Bisque Concealer, and it's just the wrong undertone for me. Same with their medium shade foundation, just completely wrong undertone. It's super pink. If it was more yellow, I think it might be a good color match, but might as well give these to someone else who it'll match. I have this MARC eyeshadow, and it's a pinky peach color, really similar to my shirt. This NYX Green Color Correcting Concealer. I don't really color correct. I feel like that's just so much extra work. Next is this NYX Yellow Concealer, and it's just more lightweight than I thought it would be. So this is what the yellow concealer looks like, but it blends out, and it's one of those color correcting concealers as well. And then that's what the green color correcting concealer looks like. So yeah. We have the Maybelline Color Tattoo Liquid Eyeshadow, and I got these because I really liked the Stila ones, but that's what it looks like there. You can see it's really intense and metallic, but I don't know. I like the Stila ones better, and those are more expensive, so I do want to use them up, even though like the only ones I have now other than the one in my use before the move are little minis. But again, it was still a pretty penny for the minis, so I might as well let someone who's interested in this use it because it is a really pretty shadow. NYX Cashmere Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is just a really pretty like golden kind of color right there. And I do really like these NYX Jumbo Eye Pencils when I was like first doing makeup. It's a lot more work for me now. I like just using like the eyeshadow, popping it on, but this is a really nice base if you want to have your metallic shadows pop just a little bit more. And I think it's a nice enough color that if your skin tone allows for it, that you can use it as a cream like highlighter or just like a cream highlighter base. So next is the Benefit Watts Up highlighter, and this is what it looks like right here. It is just a really pretty like cream highlighter shade, but again, I just have other highlighters, cream highlighters, liquid highlighters that I want to use, so I might as well give this to someone who will use it. So next is this duo from the Brow Gal, and it is their Gold Nude Highlighter Pencil, and you can use this to carve out the underneath since this shade is matte, and then this is like a shimmery shade you can use on like the brow bone and like the inner corner to like highlight. These are the shades here. It's just not right for my skin tone, so I might be able to give this to someone who's a little bit darker than me who might be able to make this work. So next we have some eyeliners. We have this brown one from Wet n Wild, which is just a brown eyeliner. We have this Jante Bleu, and it is a blue pencil eyeliner. We have this Revlon eyeliner. We have this black eyeliner from Catrice. It's one of those twist ups. I really do like this eyeliner. We've got this shimmery color from Sephora, and it is in Flirting Game, and it's kind of like a shiny taupey gray color. It's really pretty. It's just not a color I would really wear much. This one from Jordana, it's in emerald green color, and that's what it looks like right there. It's just a really pretty emerald green, and this formula lasts a really long time on like your waterline or like lower lash liner. I've got this fishtail brush, which is just a really fun shaped brush. I just don't really use it. Then going on with another product to apply foundation that I'm never going to use. This is the Makeup Drop, the original silicone makeup applicator. And I know it was like a year and a half, 2 years ago maybe, that everyone was like, oh, the silicone sponge, blah, 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 blah. So if someone's been wanting to try it and didn't before, like, here's your opportunity. Then I've got 3 single eyeshadows. This first one is the NYX Black Primal color, and I used to really, really like this. It's a nice black shadow. It's not the most like dark black, but you can build it up. But this is what it looks like right there, and I use this a lot with like face painting looks because it was like one single black eyeshadow. I didn't have to grab a palette just to use a black. And then I've got these 2 from Maybelline. So this first shadow from Maybelline is in Acid Rain, and that's what it looks like right there. It's just a really pretty dark blue color. I think it'd be really pretty with the blue eyeliners, as well as this shadow here in Teal the Deal. And then this is what the teal shadow looks like. So they're both really pigmented shadows. This one's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. This one is completely matte. So I'm going to start off with my only non-NYX lip product, and this is the Rimmel Vava Violet, and this is what it looks like. And I got it because it was a dupe for the MAC Cyber lipstick, which I ended up getting after I got that one because I ended up liking the MAC one a little bit more. The MAC one is on top here, and the Revlon one is here. The Revlon one is a little bit more like glossy and shiny. So next we have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Moscow, and it is a dark blue lip. This is the NYX Up the Base Matte Lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I think it's literally a lipstick version of the Jeffree Star Scorpio. At least it looks really similar. This one is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in STFU, so shut the F up. And this is what it looks like here. It's a bit brighter of a purple than I would wear. This next product is the Vamped Up from NYX. It's just a black shade, but it's a little bit thinner of a black formula. So you can use this to deepen up the lipstick. So you just kind of like mix it, and you can see it makes it a little bit darker. So all the next products are the NYX Liquid Suedes. We're going to start off with my 2 full-sized ones. And this is in Stone Fox, which is a gray color. And that's what it looks like. And I'm giving this away because I have the Kat Von D Gray Duo, which I used in one of my videos. So I don't know, I don't need another gray lipstick. And then this one is their Amethyst one, and it's just a brighter purple. I love the NYX Liquid Suedes. I've got 2 of them in my use before the move, and they're the little minis. But yeah, they're a little bit older of lip products, so I understand if nobody wants them. But they are fun to try out different colors. You will see what I mean when I show them. I don't really need all the liquid suedes anymore. It was a really good deal when I got them to try out to see like what color might work for me. But these are the colors. For this, I'm going to go through them all really quickly for you guys so you can see. This first one is in Tea and Cookies. This next one is Respect the Pink. Life's a Beach. Foiled Again. We've got Orange County. We've got Sway. We've got Run the World. Pink Lust. Little Denim Dress. Subversive Socialite. We have a mini of Amethyst. I already showed you guys what this looked like, so I'm not going to swatch this one. And then lastly we have Jet Set. So these are all the minis of the NYX Liquid Suedes that I'll be giving away to friends and family. And I do have a couple of them left that I've saved for myself outside of the ones in my use before the move. I might have saved like 1 or 2. Alright guys, so that is it for all the products I'm giving away to friends and family. If you would like to see an overall makeup collection and storage after I move, let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you guys. Since now a lot of the products are out of my collection that I don't use, I can really organize the drawers a little bit better. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on that little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!